yeetaaga ennyama ennungi ng'ekoleddwa bulungi era ng'eteekeddwateekeddwa ku mutindo ogwesigika totawana kutambula ekibuga Tawfik Butcher abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salaam okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ng'okkirira ku Charles City. Batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh. Weetaaga ya mikolo, weetaaga ya waka, ogyetaaga luddawa era mu bipimo kika ki. Bakubira essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna. Okumanya ebisingawo kubira Tawfik Butcher ku nnamba eno ku 0752 23 89 33 oba 0774 73 45 85. Tawfik Butcher tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24.
My name is Rebecca Kadaga. I'm a member of the senior member of the legal profession. I was enrolled in 1982. I'm also a member of parliament, a long-standing member of parliament for Kamuli district. I'm at the moment the deputy prime minister, but also I've been a deputy speaker for 10 years. Speaker for 10 years at parliament. I've been very vocal on women's emancipation within the Commonwealth and within the International Parliamentary Association and many other bodies. The third in a line in my family, we were 10. I was number 3. My 2 predecessors are not here, and a few of the youngest are not here. But here I am. I'm now supporting my mother to manage the family and our estate.
Honorable, you came up with a vision, the pathway to greatness. What do you mean by the pathway to greatness? Yes.
Now, over time, I have gone to many functions, many schools, primary schools, secondary schools, but wherever I go, the young people tell me that I want to be like you. And I felt that they see me as a leader, but they don't know that I have a beginning and I have a career growth path. So I thought I should put down part of my history, part of my experience, the challenges one meets in life, how to overcome them, how to be innovative, how to be creative, and make an impact in society. So that's part of this. As I said, it's not my autobiography, but it's a story about my experiences so far, from primary school to the time I am now. But I'll be writing an autobiography. I'm also writing an autobiography. And I'm also writing another book about my experiences in the parliament. So there are 2 more books which are coming.
What does it mean to your community, most especially the Busoga region, you coming out with such a product? Or what are you targeting specifically in this?
You know, as Busoga, we are very good at oral history. We like to talk and to speak history, but very few of us document it. And you know, it leaves a very big gap in our community. Sometimes you want information, then you have to look for people to tell you about it, yet it can be written. So I want to, I'm trying to really show an example that as when we are alive, we should try to document as much as possible so that we can help the future generations. So this book is going to inspire many young people to, as I said, to be creative, to be innovative, to have a good attitude, to be patient, to be patriotic. All those are contained in this book.
Honorable, in this book, do you have some part in the book where you feel really someone should not miss to read or cross-check? Or have you identified the part in the book?
Yeah, there are many parts, but I think I wanted to start with the page 25, where I was talking a bit about how to use opportunities. And this is what I said in this book. Under chapter 1, entitled "All Limitations Bring Lifting." So I wrote this under opportunity. It's not enough to ask what successful people are like. In other words, only by asking where they are from can we unravel the logic behind who succeeds and who doesn't. People don't rise from nothing. We owe something to parentage and patronage, the primary source of the foundation that opens us to the world of opportunities before opportunities are never attracted by empty vessels and dismayed personalities. Like when I first became a member of Parliament in 1989, it was because of the track record of my father, who was the chairman of the Democratic Party of Buzaya in Kamuli district. In 1989, when the NRC was being expanded, we had not had a parliament, and definitely there were no women. So I was by then the president of the Women Lawyers Association, FIDA. I was very busy in Kampala advocating for women's rights. So some of the elders came to me and said, we want you to come and present Kamuli. So I said, no, me, I'm very busy with my legal profession. I don't have time to come and do politics. So they were disappointed, and what they did was to come here to Mbolamu to talk to my father. They tell your daughter, I want her to serve our people. So my father called me and said, there are people here who think you should, instead of just advocating in general, can you come and speak for the issues of Kamuli district? So I told him that, Dad, I've grown up in Kampala, which you know. Who do I know here? He said, no, you just accept, leave the rest to us. So because my father had been the chairman of the Democratic Party here in Buzaya County. So he had a network, actually all over Busoga. So he used that network, and I was elected unopposed. Not because I was Rebecca Kadaga, but because I was the daughter of my father. So I got into parliament on the shoulders of my father, who was a member of the Democratic Party. That's what I was talking about in this chapter. That's one of the areas.
Right, Honorable. We are seeing, in most cases, we see people when they try to document information, it is like they are coming in to retire, and some people are misrepresenting it that you see, she has started writing out books, she is falling out of politics or out of serving people. What is your decision as per now, even when you have written this book?
No. How many books has the President of Uganda written? Do you know when the first mustard seed was first presented? In the 80s. He keeps on revising it and publishing it. No, this is about documenting the history, to inform people about what is happening. It has nothing to do with the future. No, not at all. And I'm still serving my people.